Welcome to Natural Healthy Cooking. Come, let's learn to make food a medicine. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to get more healthy recipes and do hit the bell icon for notifications. In the previous update, we presented the red juice for PCOD, fibroids and endometriosis. If you haven't seen that video, please check the link in the description below. Today, we are presenting the second important juice called the green juice. According to the famous naturalist Dr. Biswaroop serving green juice and the red juice alternately every morning on an empty stomach will get rid of the PCOD, fibroids and endometriosis completely. Let's see the ingredients. Spinach 1 bunch, 100 grams. Cucumber 3, 500 grams. Cilantro 1 bunch, 50 grams. Bottle gourd 1/4, 500 grams. Thoroughly rinse and roughly chop the bottle gourd into slices. Similarly, chop the cucumber as well. Now, roughly chop the spinach. And the cilantro. Now insert the chopped cilantro, spinach, bottle gourd and cucumber one after the other in the feeder tube of the juicer. 200-watt juicers rotate at a slow pace, keeping the full nutrition of the fruits intact. Now strain the juice. And transfer it into a glass and enjoy. Remember to take the red juice and green juice every alternate day continuously for 2 months for good results. Do share this wonderful tonic with your friends, family and loved ones. Thanks for watching Natural Healthy Cooking.